Hello everyone. So I am Vivek here and my project is Vision Homework Tutor. So Vision Homework Tutor is a multimodal AI assistant powered by Gemini where students can upload their homework or using text, camera or input also, and they can ask the questions also, and they will get a step-by-step solution in multiple languages. So now, and apart from that we have multiple features. So let's have a tutorial. So here you can see the auto where is this auto selected language is English. Now you can choose your own language which you want. Second option is it is like quick solve, balance learn or deep learn. Just like in our colleges what we do, we just upload the PDF and only want to know about which is the correct options. So it will be, you can choose quick solve. Otherwise if you want in deeper language or deeper step-by-step solution, you can directly choose deep learn. So now here is the option of dual explain. So what dual explain does, if you will upload the question, it will give in two languages. Like you will understand in Hindi, but you will get solution in Hindi also and in English also. Like we submit the solutions in English, so you can directly just copy. Now it is theme which is available everywhere for dark mode and light mode. Apart from that, we have options like tutor mode, export notes. I will explain each line now. So first, let's type our basic thing. Hi. So here, just ask basic question. What is 2 plus 3? So it is just explaining the sum of 2 and 3 is 5. So if you want to go deeper, like we choose deep learn, so we can write explain more. So it will just explain like it what it is given about 2 and 3 addition. And now let's go for tutor mode. So what tutor mode does? It will just explain you.
Understand the
It will
operation. The
explain you
plus symbol
step by
indicates
step.
addition,
Like
which means
if you
combining
want to go
quantities.
for detail in the for this line, so it will you can choose explain more. Or if you want to go for next step, you can go next. Means it's just solve the problem for every step which you want in detail. Now let's go for the other feature which is attach question. Here you can upload the question or just use the camera to take a snapshot. So the feature which is apart from the ChatGPT and all is this option. While uploading the question, ChatGPT doesn't have the feature. I think they should give for cropping the exact question which we want. It decreases the thinking time. So here we can just crop and just use the same thing and just can write keep the answer. So we can see it keep the answer which is option C directly. Okay. So we have one more feature like we can give input using voice also. Now let's go for our next feature which is very important because we all know we are preparing for some exams and we don't know like when we have to where we have to give the test, so we choose many platforms. Why not arrange that one? So let's just test. So we can arrange one test also here, like I'm preparing from suppose JEE, and in that I want physics. So they can choose topics also if they want, otherwise it will give speed. We can write acceleration. Many options you can leave, otherwise we can leave also. So moderate we can choose. Suppose I can choose difficulty moderate. Now it is the preference option where if you want preference, like some people want just basic question first and they want to go for higher question, but some people just want only PYQ. So we can write here PYQ based. So it will just give PYQ based JEE questions, and it is the number of question. If you want to increase, you can increase up to many one you can want. Duration, they can set how much time will test for. And negative marks is the personal choice if you want or not. So let's start the test. It is taking some time to generate the questions based on the preferences we have filled. So here is the test which we can choose the options like after making 48 kilometer, 9 meter, anything we can choose. We have to complete the test. Here is the time reminder which is time showing the time left. And to go out from this, we have to just submit the test. Now we will get how much correct you have attempted, how much wrong you have attempted. We are getting analyzed. Now suppose it is the homework tutorial, so we can learn from here also. Suppose my first question is wrong. I attempted wrong. So I should know the answers also. So here directly you can choose one analysis. You choose what was the correct option. And suppose it is also giving some explanation in short, but if you want to explain in detail, you can choose the option explain in detail here. Now it will just summarize and give you the answer in detail, why it is correct and why it is incorrect and all. So it is a tutorial for the test section. This feature explain in detail is available for every question which you have attempted or not attempted also. Now, so here go to the next section. Now here one more feature I want to show you is the multi-language. Suppose we choose Hindi and write, you can write here nahi samajh aaya. As my mother language is Hindi, so I am writing this. You can choose any language. एक बार फिर से बताओ. Let's see the output here. So we can see it gave the answer in Hindi language, which is multimodal. Now this was the my now last feature is I will explain. My last feature is the in ChatGPT what we does we have the option for the sharing, like we share the slides or we share the chats we have done. So it is not downloading, just it is they give the option for sharing. But we can download it offline also. Suppose we have the option of export notes here. So what it does, see, it downloaded the whole lecture notes. I will show you. See here, it has downloaded every notes, every chats we have done. So it is, I think.